Hey guys, we had so much fun on this project. We were recently tasked by a family member to help support a loved one navigating illness, recovery, and having some mobility challenges. The one-bedroom cottage had become difficult to maintain, not because of neglect, but because life, health, recovery had not come first. And that's where we got to come in. From the start, one of the family's biggest wishes was to preserve what mattered most. Treasured glassware, heirlooms, sentimental pieces. Even if they were chipped or damaged, they still carried history, they still carried meaning. So we made sure that every one of these items was carefully stored, protected, and given a safe home. There was also what we lovingly called the dishwashing marathon. Due to some mobility limitations, some of the dishes hadn't been washed in quite a long time. Residue had built up, and scrubbing alone wasn't going to cut it. But you know what? That was totally okay. We're here for it. So we set up a bit of an assembly line, pre-soak, spray down, hot water soak, and then wash. It saved time, reduced strain, and restored everything properly without damaging the pieces. And honestly, with Ari's background, working back of house on cruise ships, housekeeping and room service, getting our hands wet was never an issue. Sometimes it even felt a bit nostalgic, just good honest hard work, and we were happy to help out. So beyond cleaning, we had to reconfigure the zones in the home. We freed up prime realty spaces for items that the client needed the most and had to be really accessible for them. Heavier pots and pans were moved to the lower cabinets. Frequently used items were brought within easy reach. We cleared out a significant amount of recycling, packages, papers, bags, food packaging, food boxes, which immediately opened up breathing room throughout the cottage. One of our favorite solutions was using these low-profile storages that actually fit neatly underneath the sofa once the sofa legs were slightly raised. Inside, we created clear categories for crafting supplies, shoes, physical therapy and exercise equipment, even dog care items. Everything accessible, everything contained, everything intentional. By the end of the day, the cottage felt lighter, calmer, and much more manageable again for our client. Both the client and their family were incredibly happy with the result, and that truly is what makes us most happiest and why we do what we do. Because this work isn't just about organizing, it's really about restoring dignity, safety, function, and peace of mind. So here you can see some of the before and after pictures for when we started the job, and praise from our happy client and their family member. Super blessed and grateful for this project. So if you or a loved one, especially senior, is struggling with upkeep, downsizing, mobility challenges, or just simply feeling overwhelmed, we'd be so honored to help. Compassionate, respectful, and efficient, all in a day's work at Organize My Place. Don't hesitate to reach out.